follow wherever he takes me. I maintain my back. In this drill, we are going to focus on a posture drill and also maintaining your posture as your opponent is pulling you around. So Gabe has my lapel here. He's grabbing onto my lapel. He's going to take a step back as he pulls me towards him. When he does that, I take a step and I maintain my back straight like this. One thing people do, let's do that again. One thing people do, he grabs here and he starts pulling, is they bend over and they get to here, right? When your posture is broken, you're already fighting at a deficit. So my hands are down here just for the sake of the drill. He grabs onto my lapel, he starts pulling, and I kind of follow him. So I naturally just take a step forward. Now if he keeps that same grip and starts pushing me back, I just take my step back. If he pulls me to the side here, I follow him that way, and if he pulls me the other way, I follow him that way. Notice nothing changes in my upper body, my torso stays the same. My feet are the only things that readjust. So if he makes it a little more random, he pulls me, I follow, wherever he takes me, I maintain my back. It's kind of like he's guiding me to where he wants, so my posture is not broken whatsoever.